Namaste, welcome back to the Pragna channel. You are watching AWS Card Clash, and this is our 11th episode. Let's see what architecture design we are going to work on in this video. Create a continuous integration, continuous delivery pipeline for a web app by using AWS CodeStar and AWS Device Farm Desktop Browser Testing Service. And the service cards we are going to use Cloud9, which is a cloud IDE, integration development environment. And then we have a code build, code commit, deploy pipeline, and code star. Interesting. They also mentioned a device farm that you can see here, and we have a security card IAM. So let's start. Did you ever work with the device farm? I never did it. If you know about device farm and its use cases, let me know in the comments. Okay, here we are. Let's look at our architecture diagram. Okay, so they gave us the first option, and see, again, it's already started. Not very good energy cards. That's fine. Let's look at our diagram though. So as you can see, we have our VPC and coding. What will you use for coding? Of course, you are going to use IDE, which is the um, what is what is it called? Cloud9? Yes, Cloud9. Source control is code commit. Compile source code, which is code build. Deploys code deploy. Artifacts, code artifact. Don't get confused with AWS artifact. AWS artifact is to store compliance report, whereas AWS code artifact is to store dependency jars and other things. Tests on multiple desktop browsers, which is the device farm, and then we have the pipeline, code pipeline, which is used to uh, pipeline all this. And what is this? I wonder. Let's see what is this. This is coding, which is that. I think maybe this somewhere we have to see the code guru is code guru. They did code star, right? I think they mentioned code star somewhere. Anyways, let's not waste any time. Um, this is what? How many points? Code build 2 points, so we can put it. Let's protect it immediately. If you're watching my previous episodes, you know I only place cards when I have a security card with me. Otherwise, you know what will happen? He will steal, or the AI will steal, he or she. Oh, I should have discarded. No, see, this is, I forgot to discard. You guys might be yelling from there. Okay, in order to steal this, I need 3 energy. I don't have 3 energy, so I don't need this. Let's discard. We will get this. Let's discard. I don't need this. Let's discard. Deploy. Even though we need it, let's discard. Hoping I will get energy cards in the next round. Okay, so he placed, what is it? Is that code star? Quickly develop, build, and deploy applications. Yes, that's the code star. And if you want to know more about something you already know, right? You can click on this question mark. It will explain you about what that service is. Using CodeStar, you can quickly develop, build, and deploy applications on AWS. CodeStar provides a unified user interface, so you can manage your software development activities in place. With CodeStar, you can set up your entire CI/CD in minutes. Interesting. I never use this service, just so you know. Okay, so we still didn't get any energy. I don't know why that is the case, but I do have 3. I can steal one of his, but I cannot protect it. Miss Gorilla can attack us. So for now, let's CodeStar. He already plays. It's okay. Let's have Cloud9 and let's protect it, secure it. I don't want you. Let's see. I will destroy everything. Hoping I will get energy card at least. Energy card at least now in the next round. At this rate, oh, artifacts. Sorry, it's not code artifact. They are using S3. Never mind. Okay, finally we got some. But even if I steal him, he will steal it back. Should we make a risk? What do you guys think? Should we risk? What is this? 3. Oh, Miss Gorilla is going to attack anyways. I'm not going to risk. Code Star, he already placed it. Pipeline. Oh, I shouldn't have. It's okay. You can go away. Come on, destroy, 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 destroy. Go to, maybe next round. Oh no, he protected that. And if you're following me, if you want to get 3 stars, what is the tip I gave you? You should steal his cards. That's the only way you can get 3 stars. Otherwise, you won't. Yeah, finally. So now I'm going to steal his. When you steal, you are going to get 2 points. He is going to lose 2 points. That's the advantage. Even though I have three, I'm not going to place any cards. You know already why I don't do that. Why? Because he might steal it. He or she again. By the way, I'm not playing the music because last time I got a... Come on, give me nice energy cards. Copyright for this music. So I definitely don't want to take that risk. I mean, even though they don't, it won't affect, but I still don't want to do it. Okay, why do I need RDS? I don't need. The problem is if I place this card, oh, there are 2 slots. Okay, never mind. If there is only 1 slot, if you place, even if he loses, AI is going to place their card. So think about it before placing your cards. For example, there is only one now. If I place that, game is done. I will win, but I won't get 3 stars. For that reason, I usually don't do that. So he's, wow, he secured it. So let's try to steal. I can steal his, but we don't have a... That will finish the game. I don't want to do that. Cloud9, it's mine. Source control. I wish I had source control. I don't have it. If he gets the code star, he will win the game. No, actually it will be a draw. It's okay. Let's take the risk. I wish I got the code commit. He has plenty of energy. Oh, he protected it. No, 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 no. This is going to be tough. Even if I steal this. Oh, Miss Gorilla, yes. 4 points. It will be 12, 50%. Oh, he lost that. Okay, this is good opportunity for us, of course. Look at this. It's giving me all this now. What will I do with that? Well, if he gets that, he will place it. We will win, but we won't get 3 star. Let's hope he don't get it. Yeah, he didn't get it. Nice. Okay. Good for us. And I didn't get it either. And I didn't get any security cards as well. What is going on? Either they will give me energy cards or they don't give me energy cards. Yeah, this time he will definitely get it. Oh, he stole mine. See, if you don't secure your cards, he will steal it. Okay, now I don't have that. If I place that, I will win. But I don't want to win. What do we do? Do we take a risk? Yeah, let's take a risk. That's fine. It doesn't matter. It will be a draw. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I guess we will just win this round then. Let's go ahead. Let's place it then. No 3 stars. See, this is the reason. Yeah, that's why you should steal. Oh, 62. Maybe I should have got it. And as you remember, 65%, you will get 3 stars. Okay, so if we, can I go back? No, I guess not. So that's about this round. I hope you enjoyed it. And this architecture design was more about the CI/CD pipeline. We are seeing the CI/CD pipelines a lot, but again, it involves multiple services and cards. That's what we have seen here. And we have seen new service cards which are CodeStar, Cloud9, Device Farm, and the remaining pipeline deploy. Those we are already familiar with. I hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Peace out.